You can now create a custom visor for an already released windshield pattern. With the template selected, click on Resize, then hold Shift while drawing a box across the template. This will place anchor points directly across from each other. If it highlights or selects the wrong side of the template, press R to reverse the selection. Then hit Backspace or Delete on your keyboard. Place the template at the bottom left for cutting. In another example, I want to remove the mirror cutout so I can hand cut due to an added or different accessory. Place anchor points at the top line and hit Backspace or Delete. Remember, if it selects the wrong side of the template, just press R to reverse the selection. Doing this saves a lot of time and potentially wasted film. That's all for now. Make sure to like and subscribe for all the latest updates and tutorials. See you next time.